Hello student. See, previous video we saw extra questions MCQ 1 mark each. Please share and subscribe and give your comments. In this video also we'll continue same extra questions MCQ. Now here see, check whether the given equation is consistent. Here two equations are given. So we have to solve here and but here what here given, check whether the given equation is consistent. And here, but here MCQs are given there, so we are writing only options, so we have to find out the solution first. Okay, so here though here asked here consistent, but we here given the values of uh, x and y or solution for that option. So first we have to find out the values. Okay, only I will explain here. Consistent means when it is consistent, but that consistent though here written check, but they given the solution, so we have to find out the solution. 3x minus y equal to 4. Okay, this one equation is given, so y minus y equal to 4, and this 3x we are transposing minus 3x, so we are writing here value of y first, means substitute method. So many times I told MCQs are there, so any method you can use here. So for minus y is there, so we have to multiply by minus 1, so it's become plus. So multiply by minus 1, so minus 4 minus minus plus. Okay, so rearranging the equation, y equal to 3x minus 4. Now your second equation, 7x plus 2y equal to 18. 7x as it is, 2 as it is, and y's value is 3x minus 4. Make it the bracket because two terms are there, equal to 18. So 7x as it is plus, then 2 into 3x means 6x, 2 into minus 4 minus it equal to 18. Addition of 7x and 6x means 13x. This minus it transposing this side, so 18 plus 8, 13x equal to 26, x equal to 26 upon 13 means 2 answer you are getting. So you know this value is already we got here. Y equal to 3 into x value is 2 minus 4, 6 minus 4, so y equal to 2. It is a 2 2 means actually here this equation here option is given here 2, that means your option is A. Okay, but here MCQ is there, so you have to write. But if like this question is come for 2 marker, then you can solve and you can explain there. When you are saying the consistent, when after solving the equation you got only one solution, unique solution, then equations are consistent. Okay, here no need to give the reply because here MCQs and these options are given, you will it. But if it's come for 2 marker, you can give the explanation why consistent, because only one solution or unique solution. Now next is the equation 4x minus y equal to 1 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2 are here options are given, so we have to find out the here here you have to check the options because non-linear, inconsistent, consistent and dependent. Here comparing with the standard form, so here standard form is there, this one a1x plus b1y plus c1. So first equation, this is for first equation, so this a1 equal to 4, b1 equal to minus 1, c1 equal to minus 1. Then second equation comparing with the standard form, so your second equation is given a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to minus 2 and c2 equal to minus 2. Here c2 is there. Okay, so here ratio a1 upon a2, so a1 is your 4, see here 4, a2 is 2, then b1 is minus 1 and minus. So if a1 upon a2, so 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4 means here 2 is getting, then here minus minus plus, so here 1 upon 2, here 1 upon 2. So a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, so hence equations are consistent. Okay, equations are consistent means it is a intersecting line and only one solution is there, but here options are given like this, so here your option is consistent. Okay, here not required the solution. Now question 43, the equation minus 4x minus 4y equal to 2 and minus 2x minus 2y equal to 1 have two solutions. Here two solutions, then unique solution, no solution, and infinitely many solutions. Here standard form is there for two equations and two equations are given. These are the given. Okay, if you are comparing this with the standard form, then you will get a1 equal to minus 4, b1 equal to minus 4, c1 equal to minus 2. That is the written here. Now here a2 equal to minus 2, b2 equal to minus 2, c2 equal to minus 1. This written. So now ratio a1 upon a2 minus 4 upon 2. So minus minus plus 2 ones are 2, 2 2 are 4. So answer is 2. b1 upon b minus minus plus again here 2 answer you are getting. Here minus 2 upon minus 1 means here 2. All are same. All ratios are same. If all ratios are same, the equation satisfying the above condition, then it is a dependent and hence has infinitely many solutions. All three ratios are equal, then it is a dependent and has infinitely many solutions. So what is your option is given here? See, A option is two solution, unique solution, no solution, and infinitely many. So infinitely this option will come D, because here dependent is not given, but this infinitely many solution. So this should be there. Then here question number 44, if the sum of two real number is 20 and their difference is 6, find the value of their products. Very simple. Let the two equations are x and y, two numbers are x and y, and according to question x plus y, sum of the two real numbers. Which two real numbers are there? X and y. Their sum is 20, so first equation. Then their difference is 6, so x minus y equal to 6, second equation. Now you can here you can add, that means here plus and minus, so y will eliminate. X plus x, 2x equal to 26, x equal to 26 upon 2, that means 2 ones are 2, here 13, so x equal to 13. Put the x equal to x plus y, so 13 plus y equal to 20 minus 13, y equal to 7. Your solution is 13 into x and y means 13 and 7. But what is the question was there? Find the value of their product. Product means xy is given, so xy multiplication of this 13 into 7, so that is the 91. So where is your 91? D is the 91. Okay, then 45, if the system of linear equation 1 upon 2x minus 2 upon 3y equal to 7 and ax minus 8y equal to minus 1 has no solution, hence the value of constant a is, here a is given, that value of a we have to find it. So equation are given. So here the system of linear equation has no solution. If no solution, then like this condition is there, a1 upon a2 not a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. So equations here, equations is written. So first and second, from this first and second, so here what? a1 is 1 upon 2, b1 is minus 2 upon 3, c1 is minus 7, that is written. Then from the second equation, a2 is a, b2 minus 8 and c1 is 1, that one written. So see here, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, means this we taken, because see, so your a1 is 1 upon 2, a2 is a, b1 is minus 2 upon 3 and b2 is minus 8. So 1 upon 2 is there. This here upon is there. See here upon means division. So you have to make the multiply, and reciprocal of this a is 1 upon a. Then minus 2 upon 3 as it is fraction. Here again upon means here multiplication, and reciprocal of this minus 8 is become 1 upon minus 8. So here 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So 4 we got. So 1 into 1, 2 into a means 1 upon 2a equal to here minus minus plus, so 1 upon 3 fours are 12 means 1 upon 12. Now cross multiplication, 2a equal to 12, a equal to 12 upon 2, so 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, so a equal to 6. So a equal to 6, then you have to see the option, then your answer is option D. Here 6 is there. Okay, so please share and subscribe and give your comments. Thank you for watching.